So today we have an Audi A6 for a clutch model 2000 year 2000 is this, I think, type 4B 1800 turbo and petrol engine. And we're gonna take off this bad boy. We're gonna take out the air filter housing to access some bolts and then the rest. So gonna be a long video. We begin with taking out the coolant reservoir. Yep. The first bolts, exciting. And I'm gonna put the first bolts starting from the right to the left. Nope. The seal is off. As a matter of fact, this car might be, it was built from 1998, so it might be from 1998. I'll check later, but I think it's year 2000. But they're all the same, doesn't matter. It's a 4-cylinder engine. Little difference between the 4 and the 6-cylinder to remove the clutch, especially to get the bolts out. So forth. We have little clips here, little holder for a line that doesn't exist. So, good reminder, these are the little bolts for the reservoir. Should be good to go. Can I just lay it down here? No. I'm gonna disconnect this one, put in some piece of plastic so it doesn't leak, and another piece of plastic to shove on this bad boy. So pliers, maybe this and maybe this, or slightly bigger. Yep, always handy to save. It's from fuel filters, little plastic extras to block all the lines. So grab it, gently wiggle it, and up, there you go. Then let's break the buildup from the coolant a bit. Yep, it's starting to move, and she's free. Good to go. And then we pull it a bit. And just to work clean, I'm gonna put some here, some paper rags under it. Hopla. Just so we don't make a mess immediately. Let's make sure there is no more pressure in the cooling system. Yep. Its pressure is clear. And now let's see what we have here. There shouldn't be a lot in there. Yep, there we go. Fits perfect. So this one can go. The rest, there's a little connector. It's pouring a bit out, so I'm gonna put something on there. Seems like this is just not big enough to slide over it. And this one was smaller, I think. So something bigger. Yeah. I took two of the same size. Way to go. Aha! This is bigger, I think. A little bit. Yep, it slides beautifully on there. Voila. Doesn't need to be perfect though. It blocks and we have no spillage. Yeah. This one's wet, so oops, trash can's full. So here we have the famous Volkswagen connector. So slide it on there, then press the tab in. The older ones, yeah, it's not so easy. Yep. And just breaks free. Press it a bit against the where you're sliding it on. Press it here, chuck, breaks free, no problemo. We'll put this one over here. This one goes over here, and suddenly we can see a lot of bolts. Nice. So for this one, I'm gonna follow the manual up, and here are the torque settings if you need them. No big deal, should be out in 4.7 hours, but I highly doubt that. And then this is for this engine. A couple of plugs, disconnect a couple of plugs, RMS meter, the valve for the carbon filter, the valve for the turbo, and there we have it, the air filter housing. So I'm just gonna follow it. I think this pops off. Yeah, didn't break nothing, just rubber stuff comes off. Oh, yep. The air filter housing, this bad boy. So this is on there. The heat shields, looks like we need to take off those bad boys. Yep, that's one. Second one. And these ones go just besides the bolts of the coolant reservoir. So need to disconnect the air mass meter again. Gently push it forwards, push in, back, there we go. And I see what you mean. This is yeah,